Hey everyone, welcome to my video. Today I'm gonna show you how to freeze a frame in Premiere Pro for as long as you like. As you can see, this video is playing at normal speed, then I'm gonna pause the video right here. Let's say you want the video to freeze here for a few seconds. Right-click on the video timeline, then click on Insert Frame Hold Segment. Premiere Pro will add a 2-second frame hold right at the location of the cursor, dividing your clip into 3 segments. Now you can see, as the cursor moves along the timeline, nothing happens because this is a still frame. You can adjust the duration of this still frame segment to your liking. Now you can see it freeze frame for a very short amount of time, then continue playing back. Let's try making the freeze frame segment duration longer. You see this frame stops for much longer than before, until continuing playing back. That's it for this short tutorial. I hope you learn a new trick today. Have a nice day.